Yellow moon, yellow moon.
To find my keys. Can never find my keys. I gotta go. Where are my keys? I'm gonna have to leave that there. Alright, I'm gonna leave this plugged in. Ta-da! Oh, Christmas tree, I'm late. And I gotta go. And I still can't find my keys. Great. This always happens. This always happened when I gotta go. I have no idea where the keys are. Oh, found them. Here they are. Now we gotta go. Wait, my thing fell off my clock. It's not supposed to fall off. Good. See, that's supposed to stay there and look all Christmassy.
Yeah, I'm just walking really. Yeah, things I have to delete for this thing because there was no space. Okay, thank God, there's probably a taxi now.
Vibe. Exclusive music from ShakeTV.tv. Vibe. This shit is a vibe. And it's gonna be a vibe.
So I'm back home. I just bought some meat for my dad and begged the taxi to drop me back home. Imagine, I asked him to drop me back home, and where does he take me? Downtown.
You're going to have to catch another cab to go home, alright?
You couldn't tell me that from in the taxi. Then I would have just catch one different taxi from out across road and go home. Right now, honestly, my vibes just broke. Imagine this is supposed to be Christmas Eve. You know, normally people go out tonight, just go walk up and down. And I don't want to go because I am not in the mood. Like, today is just not the day. I'm pissed off and my bed just broke. Honestly, like, I even did supposed to go shape up my eyebrows and try and get my dad a gift for Christmas, and
Oh well, story of my life.
yes, say hi to my best friend. When hungry with you, I can't afford to send them something at Christmas. Yeah, I have to stick with that. No, me. So after a million hours of waiting, them finally reached. Finally reached.
That's cool. Extra cool. I'm a short drive. So, they got to buy me a smoothie. Fruits. No papa. Extra sweet, thank you. I mean, I want water either.
But my money I buy it, though. That's it. But I don't have.
I don't understand this. You get that now.
Wait, I don't go. Come.
Where do you gone? Find them in a frozen. Yes, I will find it there.
What is this thing now?
Hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
Can I small contribution, please?
The money, the feel, no mean nothing to me. If you want free, when I'm a murder, then you want for free me. After all, dog, and that's how we had pan a call. Lean
Hello, Elle. Hello, After all. I should purchase those eyelashes and piercings and nails. Come show them your nails. Yes. Poppy, you know. So show them your nails. Why are you afraid? Why are you scared?
Are you Lilash?
Yes, friends. Oh, wait. We're waiting on anybody?
We're making a mega mark. We're making a Marshmallow Prime.
So, oh there.
Price
Mark.
More?
So, Ultra. What Ultra Mark?
That's the Ultra Mark. That's your
Ultra Mark?
Ultra Mark? No, I am
No,
the
she's the Mark.
I am the Mark. Because she's Mama Mark. We do not want about Mark.
No. Tammy is Mommy Mark. So she's the Mark.
She's Ultra Mark.
She's the Price Mark.
Carrie.
Mart. Carrie, Mega Mart. Hi, Jaden. Mart most Prime.
Yeah, Ultra Mark.
Alright, so they're Ultra Mart.
Shop Mark.
Yes, that one there is Mart.
I am the Mark.
Mart.
Trick that mannequin. Whoa.
Yes, friend. Hey, friend. Go, friend.
That's what they say. That's what they say. This 6 to 1. You were doing that?
Yes, I was doing that. Yes.
Well, but she's come back. But when you take it out of one down, inside like this.
She just did upper reach.
I'm going to show you the eyelash.
Oh Lord.
Then can't see it.
Let me see.
Does it look like fun?
Right, breezy.
Right, baby.
Butter crisp. You know me. Matt.
Jabby Beats exclusive. Jabby Beats exclusive.